So as you can see guys, the US dollar index is breaking down. S&P 500 on its way to break the previous high. Nasdaq 100 has already broken the previous high. Dow 30 has already broken the previous high, which clearly shows us that breaking the previous high is going to give us a buying opportunity. And we know since crypto market is still very much correlated with the traditional market, there is a very high probability for price of Bitcoin also following this falling wedge scenario. Yes, this falling wedge is a bullish continuation scenario, and according to this falling wedge, you can see our price objective sits in between 60,000 to 70,000 range. But we have said, even if this is going to be the best case scenario, we still expect the price of Bitcoin to get attracted in between 48,000 to 50,000 range before deciding the trend duration. Yes guys, we believe the price of Bitcoin could be getting attracted in between this 48,000-50,000, and only after that choose a trend duration. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that even if the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term in the coming days shows some weakness, let it be, because you can see if you look at this in a bit different way, I mean by simply using this rising trend line, this rising trend line will be acting as a line of support. Yes, in case of any retracement, any shakeout, this trend line will be acting as a line of support, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to show another rally here like this. But if we continue our rally from here on, because if you look at this Fibonacci extension line, right, from this low till this high, you can see this 100% Fibonacci extension is holding us right now, right? Also looked as a line of support, which is around 40,900 to 41,000 range. This is our support. So if this here is just a temporary retracement and price of Bitcoin is going to follow this uptrend, then this 1.618 to 1.41 will be looked as our target, which is around 48,000, 50,000 range. Yes, in between this trend is where we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to get gravitated before deciding the trend duration, because we know yesterday we talked about this right angle broadening wedge, and according to the right angle broadening wedge, you can see the price of Bitcoin in our case here in the medium short term, once it breaks the previous resistance which we have around 45,000, then it is going to be another buying opportunity, because the price objective sits around 48,000 range. Now you can see even according to this right angle broadening wedge, this 48,000 to 50,000 will be looked as our upcoming target. And if we fail, I mean if the price of Bitcoin fails to continue this uptrend I just showed you with this rising trend line, this rising trend line will be looked as a line of support. And even if you look at this in a little bit different way, I mean if you look at this as a continuation pattern like this, price forming double bottom type of formation before breaking out, you can see here, right, double bottom type of formation before breaking out, then we could also see a move like this. And if that does happens, I mean price of Bitcoin after getting rejection on this 0.5 Fibonacci line showing a continuation towards this lower trend line, it's okay, because we have said in a bigger picture remaining above 30,000 is considered very bullish for Bitcoin, and this will be just a retest, just like here from the past price action, or let's say pre-halving shakeout before breaking here to the upside before continuing our uptrend. Because I have showed you with so many different examples, the price of Bitcoin might have just started this market phase. So during market phase, it's not necessarily that we are going to see 100-200% move, guys. There will be shakeout, 20% retracement, 30% retracement, but at the end the price of Bitcoin is expected to continue our rally here to the upside. So that's why even if we are going to see any weakness, even if the price is going to see some consolidation, even some retracement, please do not panic, because even according to this ascending channel, we are still following this pattern. I mean higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern. So any sort of a retracement will be also looked as a temporary retracement, because we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to behave like this. After that, I mean around 40,000 here in a daily time frame, smaller time frame, we have extremely important support, and in a bigger picture around 30,000, we have extremely important line of support. So that's why even if the price is going to follow this bearish scenario in the medium short term, this dead cat bounce type of formation, I mean price of Bitcoin after this relief rally, right, failing to break out of this 0.618 line, is going to start with another continuation like this, then we are going to look this as a dead cat bounce, a temporary retracement around 38,000 to 40,000. But we know we have extremely important line of support lying for Bitcoin, and if you want to invalidate this dead cat bounce, we just need the price of Bitcoin in a daily time frame to remain above 43,000. And if we do see this happening, I mean price of Bitcoin in a daily time frame showing further weakness, getting attracted towards some key line, let it be, because we have support from this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator. We know this indicator, our indicator, will be acting as a line of support, and additionally we also have support from this Williams alligator indicator. Yes, any sort of a retracement during uptrend will be looked as a temporary retracement, and parallelly we also have support from this Bollinger Band. Yes guys, this signal line or the central band, which is also over 40,000, will be looked as a line of support in case of retracement. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, you can see the price of Bitcoin has extremely strong support above 40,000, and in a bigger picture above 30,000. So in the medium short term, even if we do see another corrective move, let it be, because we have said it will be looked as a temporary retracement, and price after that still showing another continuation like this. Yes guys, this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. So if you enjoyed my work, then let's reach 1,000 like in this video. And also, if you haven't claimed your bonuses, Bybit is giving around 30,000 free bonuses guys, Phemex 6,000 deposit bonus, OKX around 50,000. so these are all free money provided to our CryptoAnup community members. So if you haven't claimed the bonuses, please check the video description. So guys, this is it for today. Until next time, bye bye.